Here I have SONY Ericsson E15i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So like on this device there's no such thing as like Do Not Disturb mode as you used to it, but you have such thing as like silent mode, which you can enable by going to settings. Then you go to sound and display, and here you can enable silent mode, which is basically just all sounds except media and alarms are silenced, just like in Do Not Disturb mode. And yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.